What's going on, guys? I'm coming at you here today, Monday afternoon, on a windy Monday afternoon. That's why the boat's high and dry from the dock here. Just coming at you to remind you it's going to be a very, very important week. Very important week. This week we have Meta earnings, not Facebook. Meta earnings. We have Amazon earnings. We have Apple earnings, we have Alphabet earnings, just juggernaut after juggernaut after juggernaut in the tech industry. Earnings coming out. We actually have some other big earnings as well coming out this week, but these are going to be huge ones for the S&P. And we also have the Fed meeting coming out. Now, we've been rallying here for a while now on the SPY, on the S&P, and honestly, we've surpassed what I thought we were going to reach. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens here after these earnings come out. Now, there's a number of things that can happen, right? We can do some sideways consolidation, or if when these earnings come out, the guidance on them moving forward is weak, we could see drastic big pullbacks in the overall market. Now, how deep can these be? Well, they can be rather deep. The dog's back there, he's not too happy about any deep pullbacks either. So what we might see is pullbacks that could take us back down into the 380s, into even the 370s. We also have the Fed meeting coming up here, and one of the, there's two things that we want to be watching out for. One is the unlikelihood of a 100 basis point hike. We're probably going to get 75 basis points. That's more than likely what we're going to get, because they've already kind of confirmed that, right? What's the other thing? Well, when Jerome Powell gets up on the mic and starts talking, giving his press release, that's going to be crucial. What does he say? Because in August, there is no Fed meeting. There is no Fed meeting in August. So in August, we're going to get July CPI and PPI numbers, and there's not going to be a Fed meeting. So everyone's thinking that July's numbers are going to be lower than June's, because June's numbers are so catastrophically high that everybody thinks that's going to be the last straw. That's it. There's not going to be anything higher than that. And maybe they're right. I honestly don't have an opinion on the matter. I would not be surprised in either direction. I wouldn't be surprised to see July's numbers be lower than June, and I definitely wouldn't be surprised to see them higher. Dog says that they're going to be higher. I don't know, man. One thing I do know is that we're going to play the charts. We're going to play the levels right off of the SPY as usual, and we'll see what happens. Now, what do I think is going to happen? I think that we've already seen, like the other day, who was it? It was Snap. Snap came out, did not give guidance, and what happened after that? Facebook, Pinterest, Google, right? Everybody got slammed down in after hours. Can you imagine if Meta comes out and says, guys, here's our earnings, bang, they weren't bad, right? And then they say our guidance moving forward, weaker. Can you imagine if Google, right? If Alphabet does the same thing? Ouch. We already know that Apple, what was it, about a week and a half ago, said they're going to be slowing their hiring in 2023. What if they are already start to bring guidance down for the rest of 2022? What if that happens here in this earnings call? Can you imagine if Apple comes out and says, guys, we're going to lower our guidance the rest of the year because we are concerned about the recession? Ouch. That's going to hurt the SPY. And I think if we start to see that from these juggernauts, right? If we start to see that from Apple, if we start to see that from Alphabet, if we start to see that from Meta, right? From Alphabet, I think we see this market not only slice through 390, get back into the 380s, I think we'll probably see it get back down into those 370s. And at that point, we get another leg down lower, and we price in that recession. And then maybe this latter half of the year, we can start to trek our way higher in the fall and close off in those 390s, 405 area. I think that's possible, something that we could see happen throughout the rest of the year if these juggernauts come out and they bring their guidance for the rest of the year and into 2023 lower. If they come out with lower guidance, I think that's what we see. Now, that's my opinion. That's one guy's opinion sitting on a dock in the Florida Keys behind his boat over there, Dying for this wind to calm down so I can take it out and go fishing. We're gonna take it out for a little spin at least, but no fishing today. That's just my opinion. I would love to know your opinion. What do you think is gonna happen here moving forward the rest of the week? I mean, today's just Monday, and these juggernauts are going to start coming out tomorrow, Tuesday, right? That's when it starts. That's when the fun begins. So that's my opinion on the subject. Now, how are we going to be trading it? Like I said, we're going to be trading it right off the levels in the daytraderchatroom.com. There's links in the description and comment section below. Also, guys, if you want a free ebook, let me know. I have an ebook from Trade Ideas I can give you about earnings season. Just comment in the comment section down there. Let me know you want the ebook, and I'll go ahead and get you that link real quick, all right? I hope you guys are having a great time and a great summer, enjoying this crazy hot weather. That sun is hot, crazy. Let me know again your thoughts on what you think will happen with the market the rest of the week. Thank you guys very much for watching. Smash that like button for me if you don't mind, and I'll catch you on another one.